Welcome to our channel. If you're using a free or basic service plan and want to try premium features through upgrade trials, follow these step-by-step instructions to access these promotional opportunities. Step 1. Log in to your existing account on the service where you currently have a free or basic subscription plan that you're considering upgrading. Step 2. Navigate to your account settings or subscription page where premium plan options are displayed, typically found under Upgrade, Subscription, or Account sections. Step 3. Look for promotional banners or special offers advertising trial periods for premium plans, which services often provide to encourage basic users to experience advanced features. Step 4. Review what premium features are included in the trial, such as increased storage, advanced tools, ad-free experience, priority support, or access to exclusive content. Step 5. Click Try Premium Free or Start Free Trial to initiate your upgrade trial. The system should recognize you as an existing user and offer you the promotional trial period. Step 6. Confirm your upgrade by providing or verifying your payment information. Your payment method won't be charged during the trial period, but it's required to continue premium access afterward. Step 7. Review the trial terms, noting exactly when the trial ends, what premium features you're gaining access to, and the cost that will be charged automatically if you don't downgrade before trial expiration. Step 8. Start using premium features immediately and fully explore the enhanced functionality. Set a reminder to evaluate whether the premium features justify the cost before your trial ends. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.